day, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We are still on the Welcome to High School series. Our topic for today will be on fractions, but our main focus will be on basic operations involving fractions. The first one, we are going to focus on basic operations on fractions. The next one, multiplication of fractions and division with fractions. The last one will be problems involving fractions. So fasten your seatbelt and let's go on an exciting journey. For the first one, we are going to addition of fractions with the same denominator. So now, for instance, if I have 3 over 5 plus 1 over 5, since they have the same denominator, there will be no point finding the LCM. So all I need to do now in this case is I'll pick 5 as the denominator because they are similar, they're the same. All right, so 5 goes into 5, that's 1 time. 1 plus 1 times 3 is 3. 5 goes into 5, that is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. That will give me 4 over 5. In a shorter way, then once you find that the denominator are the same, all you need to do now is just to add the numerator over the value of the denominator, and the answer will be the same as this. Now, let's try that in the second one. The second one says 9 over 13 plus 11 over 13. All I need to do now is 13. I will now say 9 plus 11. All I need to do now is 20 over 13. I can simplify this by converting it into a mixed number. So 13 goes into 20, that is 1 time, that's 7 over 13. It's as simple as that. Now for subtraction of fractions with the same denominator, we are going to use the same method. So now, for example 2, we have 7 over 10 minus 3 over 10. Since they have the same denominator, all I need to do is less than 7 minus 3. It's as simple as that. 7 minus 3 gives me what? 4. 4 over 10. So I can reduce it to its lowest term. So 2 goes into 4, that's 2 times. 2 goes into 10, that's 5 times. All right, the second one says 13 over 33 minus 2 over 33. Like the first example, the denominator are actually similar. So all I need to do now is 33, 13 minus 2. That will give me 13 minus 2 gives me 11 over 33. Don't forget that 11 can actually go into 33, so we have to reduce this to its lowest term. So 11 goes into itself 1. Goes into 33, that's 3 times. So the answer is 1 over 3. Alright, now next set of examples, I'm going to use ABC to explain multiplication of fractions and divisions with fractions. Now the first one we have 1 over 2 divided by one whole number 1 over 4. So in this case now I have this 1 over 2 divided by 4 goes into it. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 over 4. Now in this case now, I will not be able to do anything until I find the reciprocal of 5 over 4. The reciprocal of 5 over 4 is 4 over 5. That means I have to do times 4 over 5. So in this case now, 2 goes into itself 1. 2 goes into 4 2 times. So I'll be left with 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. So the answer is 2 over 5. Now the next one, I have 3 whole number 3 over 4 times 4 over 9 divided by 8 whole number 3 over 4. Alright, now this one, I need to convert this to improper fraction. So 4 times 3 gives me 12. Now 12 plus 3 gives me 15. So I have 15 over 4 times 4 over 9 all over 8. Sorry, let me convert this too. So 4 times 8 gives me 32. 32 plus 3 gives me 35 over 4. So in this case now, 4 goes into itself 1, goes into 4, 1. 3 goes in here 3 times, 3 goes into 15, that's 5. So I've left it 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. Divided by 35 over 4. This sign is division sign, so that's why I use the division sign here. All right, in this case now, I can't do anything until I find the reciprocal of 35 over 4. So I have 5 over 3 times the reciprocal of this will give me 4 over 35. So 5 goes into itself, 1 goes into 35, that's 7 times. So I'll be left with 1 times 4 is 4, 3 times 7 is 21. So simplifying this, our answer will end at 4 divided by 21. Finally, the last one, I have 8 divided by 16 over 21. So in the same case, I can turn this to 8 divided by 1, if you don't mind, and also find the reciprocal of 16 over 21. That will give me times 21 over 16. So 8 goes into itself, 1 goes into 16, that's 2 times. So I'll be left with 21 over 2. So 2 goes into 2, that is 1 time. 2 goes into 1, that is 0, remainder 1 over 2. So 21 divided by 2 will give me 10 whole number, 1 over 2.
For example 4, a welder requires short iron rods, each of length 1 whole number 3 over 4 meters, to make a window frame. How many of such short iron rods can he get from an iron rod of length 10 whole number 1 over 2 meters?
Wow, we've come to the end of our lesson today. I hope you learned a lot. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting mathematics videos. Toodles.